Assalamu alaikum to all dear Falconians of class 6. Students, hope you all are safe and sound, fit and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is your maths teacher, and dear students, in the last unit yesterday we completed the exercise 2.3 and attempt the three questions with their two parts, and we learned how can we find out the GCD by forming the set of divisors, by the method of factorization, and by the method of division. These three methods we have learned yesterday to find out the GCD, that stands for greatest common factor. Students, today we will learn about the least common multiple, LCM. How can we find out the LCM? To find out the LCM, today inshallah we will learn again the three methods with a little difference, but almost the concepts are same. But you have to remember that if you have to find out the LCM and they told you to find out the LCM by forming the set of multiples, so you will be sure that what is the difference between the set of multiples and the set of divisors. First method, we are going to learn about the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple, and least common multiple LCM is always equals to the product of all common and non-common factors. The product of common and non-common factors gives the LCM of the given number. The first method we are going to understand by forming the set of multiple. Whenever it is asked you to find out the LCM of any numbers by forming the set of multiple. The set of multiples means, in the simplest way you can say, that the table of the given number. For example, they told you in this example to find out the LCM of 8 and 12. The set of multiple of 8. The set of multiples of 8 means 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, and so on. These are called the set of multiples of 8. Multiples mean you will multiply it from 1, 2 and all the natural numbers. This set is called the set of multiples of the given number, and this set is infinite set, because the set of multiples means you have to multiply it with all the natural numbers, and the natural numbers we all know that they are infinite. Similarly, the set of multiple of 12. 12 ones are 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, and so on. So these are the set of multiples of 8 and 12. You must compare this process by the set of divisor which we have learned yesterday, and you will easily understand the difference, that what is the difference between the set of multiples of any number and the set of divisors. Divisors are those numbers by which the given number can be divided, and the set of multiples means you have to multiply that number by all the natural numbers. So in the same way, the third step, you will find out the common multiples. Till here you will just write 5 to 6 multiples. 5 to 6 multiples are enough. Then you will find out the common multiples. The common multiples, in this way you can see we have 24, and any other number that is common between these two sets of multiples? No, we have only 24 and then 48. 24 and 48, these are the two common multiples, and so on. Maybe we have some more numbers, but as I told you, that you will take the maximum 5 to 6 multiples of the given numbers. Then in this set, the common multiple we have 24 and 48, which least common multiple. Least common multiple means the the number that is common, the least number, smallest one, that is 24 or 48. 24 is the smallest number, so we will take 24 and say that 24 is the least common multiple of 8 and 12. In the yesterday we have learned about the greatest common divisor. We will take the greatest number, but in LCM we will take the least number. That's why I told you to write the multiples till 5 or 6 and then so on, because we required the least number. Maybe some other numbers can be common, but we will not require it for our to find for the LCM, because we want the least number, that is 24, and we get it. In this way we find out the LCM by forming the set of multiple. Now come to the exercise 2.4. In exercise 2.4, students, the question number 1, 2 and 3, part 1 and 5 of all these 3 questions are included in your syllabus. The first question, they told you to find out the LCM by forming the set of multiples. The set of multiples, the two numbers 15 and 25 is given to you. So in a rough column, if you don't know the table of 15 and 25, mostly students don't know, they can maintain the rough column and multiply by the natural numbers till 5 or 6. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 60, 75, 90 and so on, 105 and so on. As I told you, till 5 or 6 natural numbers you will take the multiples of the given number. Then multiples of 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150 and so on. So we will find out, we have copy down the multiples of 15 and 25 in this way. The set of common multiples, what the number we have common? 75. 75 is the common. 15, 30, 45, 25, 50, 75. Only 75 is the number that is common between these two sets. So in the set of common multiple we have 75 and so on. Maybe further there is some more common multiples we have, but we don't require it because we have to find out the least number. So 75 is the LCM of 15 and 25. In the same way, the fifth part, in the fifth part they have given you the 3 numbers, that is 11, 22 and 44. You have 3 numbers, you will write the set of multiples of these 3 numbers, set of 11, 22 and 44. Set of multiple of 11, you will write the table of 11. 11 ones are 11 twos are 22, 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55 and 66, 77 and so on. Multiples of 22, 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44, 66, 88 and so on. Similarly, set of multiples of 44, 44 ones are 44 twos are 88, 44 threes are 132 and so on. Now we have the 3 sets of multiples of number 11, 22 and 44. What are the common numbers, the common multiples in these 3 sets? You can see 44 is the number we have that is common in set of multiple of 11, of 22 and 44. So we will say 44 is the common multiple. Then 11 eights are 88. We have 88 here. It means 88 is also, you will see, you will have a 66, then 77, then 88. 11 eights are 88. So 88 is also a common multiple of all these 3 numbers. What is the least number in this set? That is 44. So we will say the LCM of 11, 22 and 44 is 44. Least common factor. Students, hope the concept of set of multiple is clear to you. Now come to the question number 2, that we have to find out the LCM by the factorization method. In the factorization method, to find out the LCM and GCD, the process is same, but what is the difference? The difference is that the GCD is equals to or product of all the common factors, and LCM is the product of all common and non-common factors. How it will be clear in this question. As you can see in question number 2 part 1, we have two numbers 25 and 30, and they told us to find out the LCM by factorization method. As I told you, the method is same. To find out the factors of the given number, we will take the LCM of 25 and 30. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 15s are 30. Then you can take 3 first or 5 first, it depends on you. But it is important to take the numbers in the least number first. 5 3s are and 3 1s are. The factors of 25, we have 25 multiplied by 25, and the factors of 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. What is the common factor? Only 5. We have one common factor, that is 5. The remaining non-common factors we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. We don't have a pair of 2, 3 and 5, right? 2, 3 and 5. These are the non-common factors, and the common factor we have a pair of 1, 5. As I told you, LCM is the product of all common and non-common factors. The common factor we have 5, and the non-common factor we have 5, 2 and 3. Their product will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 multiplied by 3, that is 150. So in this way, we find out the LCM of the given number, that is 150. In the same way, students, I have solved the 6th part by mistake, but that is not included in your syllabus. So I am going to explain you the 5th part, that is 33, 44 and 66. In the same way, you have 3 numbers. You will take the LCM of 33, 44 and 66. As I told you, we will use the least number. 33 1, you can divide it by the table of 3. 3 11s are 33, 11 1s are 11. Then 2 22s are 44, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11 1s are. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. 2 33s are 66. Then 3 1s are 3 1s are. 3 11s are 33, 11 1s are. In this way, you have the factors of 33, 44 and 66. That is 3 multiplied by 11, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11, and factors of 66 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Now students, what is the to remember that how can you make the pairs? You can make the pairs of 2 or 3, whatever, but there should be a pair of a same number. You can see 11, 1 2 3. In these 3 numbers, we have 11 is a factor that is common. We have this is 11 is the common factor in these 3 numbers. Then you can see we have a pair of 2 in 44 and 6. We make the pair of 2. Then we can make the pair of 3, because in 33 and 66 we have 3, that is a common factor. So in LCM you can make the common factors between 2 numbers. If the number is common, you can make the pair. If the number is common in 3 or more number if it is given to you, then you can make the common pair. So in this way, in the simplest way, I have just directly solved it here. What are the common factors you have? We have a common factor 2, 3, 11. And what remains behind? This 2 is a non-common factor. We will write it here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 11s are 132. In this way, we find out the LCM of these 3 numbers, that is the product of all common and non-common factors.